Right, so imagine you just washed your car yesterday and the car is pretty clean. Then you park it under a tree or a pole or something. And you get some nasty residue spots on the windshield or on the body of the car. You just washed it, so you pretty much don't want to wash it again just because of these spots. You see this one? Yeah, so they're nasty and you want to clean them up, so I got the perfect solution for you guys. I'm gonna show it to you now. Alright, so what we have here is the ONR, the Optimum ONR, Optimum No Rinse. And what it does, you can dilute it to be a quick detailer. So after you wash the car, you can actually use it to clean like some dirty spots like I showed you. And we're gonna try it. So I have like water here. I have 700 milliliters, and I'm gonna dilute it to 1 to 15. So for 700 milliliters, I have approximately 45 milliliters of ONR, which is going right here. Okay. I'm gonna shake it a little bit to mix it. And now you have pretty much a quick detailer ready to work. Alright, so pretty much what you're gonna do is spray the spot a little bit. Okay, and spray the next spot also. And then what you're gonna do is take a good microfiber cloth. And you're just gonna wipe that off. As you can see, the car is pretty clean. See, nothing stays. Alright, so this thing, you gotta get it. Just keep a spray bottle of the detailer you just made inside the car, a clean cloth, and then you can keep your car shiny and clean all the time, even after washing it.